Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using ClickUp, and at the end, we'll do a quick comparison between ClickUp and Monday.com. ClickUp is a comprehensive project management tool designed to streamline your workflow, whether you're working independently or as part of a team. It simplifies task management, collaboration, and project tracking, all within one platform. Before we get started, be sure to check out the links in the description below to sign up for ClickUp and Monday.com for free. Whether you're looking for better project management or just trying to organize your workflow, these tools have got you covered. Let's dive right in. To start, scroll down to the link in the video description. This link will take you to the ClickUp sign-up page, where you can create a free account. Click on the Get Started, It's Free button. Enter your email address and hit Next. Then, provide your name, create a password, and click Play with ClickUp. Check your email inbox for a verification code, copy it, and paste it into the required field. You'll be asked a few basic questions. At this point, you can add team members to your workspace, but I suggest keeping it private for now. Once everything is set up, you can add team members later, which I'll demonstrate toward the end of this tutorial. For now, click I'm done. Your ClickUp account and first workspace are now ready. Before building your workspace, let's take a quick look at the available ClickUp plans. The Free Forever plan should be sufficient for most users, but it has limits, such as a maximum of 5 spaces per workspace. If you need more, you can upgrade to a paid plan. However, for this tutorial, everything I demonstrate can be done with the free plan. Let's get familiar with the structure of a ClickUp workspace, often referred to as the hierarchy. The workspace is the top level, representing your overall account. This could be your company or a major project that serves as the foundation for everything that follows. Within the workspace, there are subdivisions called spaces, which are typically used to represent different departments or specific functions. For example, you might have spaces for marketing, sales, product development, or other areas of focus. Inside these spaces, you organize your work into lists. Lists are where your tasks live and can be grouped together within folders to keep things organized and make it easier to manage related activities. Finally, within each list, you have tasks, which are the core units of work. Tasks can be further broken down into subtasks, allowing for more granular tracking of progress, and they can even have nested tasks, which are tasks that live within other tasks, enabling a deeper level of organization and complexity within your projects. This structure helps keep everything in order and makes it easier to manage projects, teams, and work at all levels of your organization. This hierarchy is essential for keeping your workspace organized. At the top left of the ClickUp interface, you'll see the name of your workspace. You can create multiple workspaces for different projects or personal use by selecting New Workspace. By default, ClickUp creates a team space. To start fresh, delete it by clicking the 3 dots, selecting Delete, and confirming by entering the space name. To create a new space, click Create Space, name it, like Marketing, and follow the prompts. You can add an optional description, assign a color and icon, and choose privacy settings. For now, I'll make it private and add team members later. You'll also define default task statuses like To Do and Complete, and can add custom statuses such as In Progress. ClickUp offers templates for various tasks, but I prefer customizing statuses for each task list individually. At the space level, I'll stick to Do and Complete. You can also enable ClickApps and default views, which we'll explore later. For now, we'll finalize the space setup by reviewing and creating it. Once created, you'll see your first space, such as Marketing, in the sidebar. This represents the second level in the hierarchy. ClickUp automatically adds a default list to new spaces, which can be renamed or deleted. For example, I'll rename it to One Black Friday Campaign. You can also create additional lists for other campaigns or projects. If your space has too many lists, group them into folders for better organization. For instance, I'll create a folder called Campaigns and drag campaign-related lists into it. Similarly, I'll create a Website folder for blog posts. Folders help maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Besides lists, spaces can include docs and whiteboards. For example, you can add a doc to store standard operating procedures, SOPs, or a whiteboard for brainstorming sessions. Both are highly customizable and can include elements like tables, checklists, or flowcharts. Now, let's focus on tasks within a list. Open a list, like the Black Friday campaign, and add tasks by typing directly or using the Add Task button. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and define priority levels. You can also create subtasks for tasks requiring multiple steps. Statuses can be customized to track progress stages, such as in progress or in review. Lists also allow you to add custom columns, such as progress bars or drop-down menus, to further organize information. ClickUp's flexibility shines in its views. The default list view groups tasks by status, while the board view organizes them into columns for a Kanban-style workflow. The calendar view displays tasks by deadlines, which is great for schedule management. Filters and templates can save you time. For instance, use a blog planner template to streamline your content creation process. Dashboards provide visual insights into metrics like task progress and workload with customizable cards for specific data. Finally, to collaborate, invite team members to your workspace by navigating to Manage Users and entering their email addresses. This ensures everyone has access to the tools they need. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to set up and use ClickUp. Now, let's move to the quick comparison with Monday.com. You can follow along using the link provided in the description below. Monday.com and ClickUp are two of the most prominent and widely used project management platforms in the market today. Both tools offer a wide array of features designed to streamline workflows, enhance team collaboration, and boost productivity for businesses of all sizes. Monday.com is known for its visually intuitive interface and flexibility, allowing teams to customize workflows, track progress, and manage tasks in real time. It is ideal for businesses looking for an easy-to-use yet highly customizable solution. On the other hand, ClickUp stands out for its comprehensive feature set that includes task management, document collaboration, time tracking, goal setting, and integrations with a variety of other tools. It provides a more robust set of tools for teams that require more granular control over their workflows and prefer an all-in-one solution. ClickUp is particularly well regarded for its ability to adapt to complex project needs, making it a great choice for teams working on diverse or large-scale projects. Together, these platforms represent a significant shift in how teams manage projects, offering features that not only improve productivity, but also enhance team communication and collaboration. Whether you need a simple visual management tool like Monday.com or a powerful feature-rich platform like ClickUp, both tools provide innovative solutions that can cater to a variety of project management needs. Let's begin with a brief overview of the companies themselves. It's often helpful to understand their backgrounds. ClickUp, headquartered in San Diego, was founded in 2016 by Zeb Evans. The company claims over 800,000 teams as users and has progressed to a significant Series C funding round. Their mission is to save people time by making the world more productive, a clear reflection of their product's goals. Monday.com, on the other hand, is based in Tel Aviv, Israel. I had the opportunity to visit their team a few years ago, and it's a fantastic place with equally fantastic people. Monday.com is publicly traded on the Nasdaq and reports having 152,000 teams using their platform. Keep in mind, the metrics for both platforms might differ depending on whether they count individual users or entire organizations. Now, let's explore the key features of both ClickUp and Monday.com. Despite being closely matched, these tools have distinct differences in their design and functionality. Starting with ClickUp, its primary focus is on providing flexibility in views, offering over 15 different options. While some are locked behind various pricing tiers, the ability to customize views to fit your workflow is a standout feature. ClickUp also supports personal productivity with features like task timers and estimated time tracking, which can be particularly helpful for individual users managing their productivity. Meanwhile, Monday.com takes a slightly different approach with its component-based experience. Users can choose from various modules like work management, marketing, sales CRM, and development projects. For example, selecting the marketer option allows you to plan and integrate tasks like content and marketing strategies seamlessly. This tailored setup is great for those seeking a guided start, complete with pre-built frameworks and video tutorials. In contrast, ClickUp provides more flexibility in customization but requires more effort to set up. Both platforms offer robust collaboration tools, including creative briefings where teams can upload, review, and comment on visuals. They also include document management features, aiming to replace apps like Notion. When it comes to visual collaboration, ClickUp's whiteboards feature sets it apart, providing a space for team brainstorming that Monday.com currently lacks. On the other hand, Monday.com excels with its polished dashboards, which are perfect for displaying information in a visually appealing way, especially in office settings. Automation is another area where both tools shine, although ClickUp's automation process feels slightly more intuitive. For teams seeking advanced customization, ClickUp offers more flexibility, while Monday.com focuses on delivering a smoother out-of-the-box experience. In terms of setup and user-friendliness, ClickUp can be overwhelming for beginners due to its sheer flexibility and feature set. However, for growing teams willing to invest time in learning the platform, it provides unmatched potential. Startups or teams with over 20 members will particularly benefit from its scalability. Conversely, Monday.com is a better fit for established teams or those looking for a quick start. Its framework and pre-built templates simplify onboarding but come at a slightly higher price point. Speaking of pricing, ClickUp's business plan costs $12 per user per month, while Monday.com's Pro plan is slightly more expensive at $19 per user per month, which typically works out to $23 with add-ons. While ClickUp offers more customization for advanced users, Monday.com's structured approach justifies its price for those prioritizing simplicity and guidance. All in all, both applications are excellent project management tools with unique strengths. While Monday.com excels at delivering a ready-to-use experience, ClickUp's flexibility makes it a powerhouse for teams seeking deeper customization. If you're just starting, Monday.com might be the better choice, but for those willing to learn and optimize, ClickUp is a fantastic option. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the links in the description below to sign up for ClickUp and Monday.com for free.